Hi mama. Today, I'll show you how to use a manual breast pump, and if you're new to this, don't worry, I was just as lost when I first started. If your pump is new, unbox it and take a quick look at the guide, or just wing it like I did. If you've used it before, make sure all parts are clean and dry. Now, find a comfy spot to sit. Grab a pillow, a glass of water, you'll get thirsty, and maybe something to watch or scroll through. Place the soft cup gently on your breast so it seals well. Hold it with one hand, and with your other, squeeze the handle slowly. Start gentle and steady, like a calm, baby feeding rhythm. If milk doesn't come right away, that's totally normal. Try massaging your breast or warming it with your hand to help your milk flow. Once milk starts coming, you'll feel a light tug, not painful, just different. Keep a comfortable rhythm and relax. If something feels off, adjust your position or check the flange size. Small tweaks can make a big difference. And that's it. It may feel awkward at first, but soon you'll find your perfect rhythm. Thanks for watching. If this helped, tap like, leave your questions below, and subscribe for more breastfeeding tips.